Hey there, thank you for tuning back in. Today I'm going to show you how I made this home sign. So I grabbed some letters from Hobby Lobby and then I grabbed some picture frames from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use E6000, hot glue. I have some water for my paintbrushes and some paint that I also got from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm going to take the paint that I chose and I'm going to put it on my paintbrush and then I'm just going to paint it onto all of the letters. And once I have painted the entire letter, I'm going to set it aside to dry. Next, I'm going to take the picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree and I am going to take out all of the paper and inserts that are in the picture frame. I will also be keeping the silver hardware that comes with this, and I will reuse that to hang the pictures. And now we are going to remove the little pegs that help hold it in because we won't need that. We'll be gluing the glass directly to the frame. Next, I'm going to take the E6000 and apply that to the inside lip or insert of the picture frame, and I usually space that about 1 to 1.5 inches apart. And next I'm going to take my hot glue. I'm using Gorilla Craft glue, and I'm going to place the hot glue in between the dots of the E6000, and this will just help it adhere a little bit faster. Then take the glass and then place it in the insert of the picture frame. And then I just place a few things on it to help hold it down and let it dry. Now that it is dry, we are going to take the little metal pieces from the paper part of the backing of the picture frame, and we're going to use that as hanging hardware. And we are going to use some E6000 and glue that to the top of the picture frame. And next I'm going to apply a little bit of hot glue just to help it hold while the E6000 dries. After it has dried, I'm going to get a good placement for where I want to place the letter in the center of the frame. And right here, I'm just making guidelines to go by so that when I glue it, I'll know where to place it. Next, I apply some E6000 to the back of the letter. And I also apply a little bit of hot glue, and this will help it hold while the E6000 dries. And using the guidelines that I made, I place the letter on the glass and I press down. Once the letter is adhered to the glass, I set it aside and let it dry, and then I repeat this for all the other letters. And then there you have it, a beautiful home sign that you have made. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you next time.